So today I'm going to do something really exciting. I have just been issued with the new Skintecture LED Light Therapy Beauty Mask. If you are suffering from acne, blemishes, rosacea, redness, then this is the product for you. Also pigmentation and fine lines, it'll help treat. It won't cure your wrinkles. I mean, let's face it, you need injections for that, but it will help minimize. And all you need is 5 to 10 minutes and 20 minutes if you're really feeling good a day to start seeing some results. Let's unpack it first and show you what's in the box. Skintecture product. So it comes in this beautiful box, LED light mask. So it's really cool. You get into a very nice satin pouch. Mask. Very cool. You just put it on, like so. Go there. And then we have a USB cable. And then we have an instruction booklet. So there's a little power switch just on the side. You can see that there. And then it's got a built-in sun visor on the inside as well. I would recommend you set up your favorite podcast or some music and really have some me time and just shut it out. To head to their website, skintecture.com, and enter the code that's listed down below, which is available for use on this mask only. I can't wait until you try it out, give it a go. But also, check out some of their other amazing products that they've got. They're all about skin, all about glow ups. I think you guys are ready for your next glow up. Thanks till next time. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye.